Hello, good morning. I am Murad Hussain. I am working as a CNC programmer and machinist. Here I am making design in AutoCAD. In AutoCAD here, these are from our engineering. I received them and I make them ready for the machine. These are for rotor machine, and I make this program also here in ArtCam software. This one ArtCam, and my working place is this is my office, and we have a laser machine here. This is a laser machine. This 3 kilowatt, and we have router machine. These are one router, 2 and 3. Actually now my co-workers now cleaning this one.